Hello everyone, it's expert dating coach Annabella Rose back again. So today I'm going to talk about how to fix erectile dysfunction. Now before we start, please click on that cheeky subscribe button and turn on the notifications, as there's going to be so many more videos coming your way. A healthy sexual relationship can be beneficial in increasing the intimacy and the bond that you have in your relationship. However, like every aspect of a relationship, the sex relationship can face some turbulence. Erectile dysfunction is one of those challenges that puts your relationship to the test. Now, we understand as females that erectile dysfunction can be emotional and psychological and drain you emotionally. Now, in this challenge, both you and your partner have a role to play to make sure that your relationship doesn't fall apart. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about and explore the possible remedies for such erectile dysfunction. Get your diet right. Your body is the reflection of what you give it. A healthy diet can help you avoid a lot of diseases such as obesity and cardiovascular problems, which are also known to be causes of erectile dysfunction. So before you panic and leave your sex life in the woods, try eating some healthy foods. Foods such as vegetables, fruits, fish, and whole grains can really help and remedy erectile dysfunction. You can also throw in some aphrodisiac foods such as oysters and strawberries, and maybe a little bit of chocolate to boost your sex drive. Shed some weight. Shedding off some few extra pounds might be the only thing that you actually need to do to fix your erectile dysfunction. There are serious health problems that are caused by weight gain, which does include that pesky erectile dysfunction. Now, a guy with a bigger waist is more likely to suffer from erectile dysfunction as compared to a guy with a smaller one. Get a proper gym membership or get a trainer who can help you lose weight in a healthy way. Exercise such as walking are known to increase your blood flow, and improved blood flow can help fix that little problem. A bonus to this is that you'll feel far more confident. Confidence in your sex life can improve your relationship, and if you're in a cycle of exercise, take note that you will be in the bike seat. Relax and get more sleep. Wanting to please your woman can give you a little bit of pressure on your shoulders. Most men who try far too hard to please their woman experience performance anxiety. Performance anxiety can cause temporary erectile dysfunction. Instead of trying to please your woman so hard that it makes you feel like this, make your encounters a little bit more about exploring each other. It will increase your intimacy, which can of course boost your confidence and fix that erectile dysfunction situation. Sleep deprivation or poor sleeping patterns can also cause erectile dysfunction. So sometimes all you need to do is get back in the motion of some good sleep patterns before trying to pop a pill. Regulate your alcohol intake. Our lifestyles have a significant influence on our health. High consumption of alcohol is known to cause temporary and sometimes long-term erectile dysfunction. This is because alcohol is a depressant, and continue a heavy consumption on your path, it can suppress your sex drive. Also, the frequency of sex can be influential on your erectile dysfunction. So that means that the more that you are drinking, the reduced your sex frequency becomes, and that ultimately causes erectile dysfunction. You don't have to quit and completely fix your erectile dysfunction in that way. Just moderate your intake and strive to live a healthier lifestyle. Erectile dysfunction does not have to be the apocalypse, gentlemen, and it doesn't have to be the end of your sexual relationships. There are other ways that you can give your partner all that sexual gratifications without penetration. Explore different ways of being intimate and keep your bedroom affairs alive. Meanwhile, try those techniques that I've just given you to reverse those effects of your erectile situation. Keep your pattern on the loop, because this will support you and go ahead in keeping your relationship extremely strong. Who knows? You might be closer than you thought ever before. Challenging times does have a way of bringing people together, so really, it could be a blessing in disguise. Sadly, that is all from me today. Guys, have you checked out my online programs, The Sexual Master? I'm teaching everything that you need to know to become the very best lover in the bedroom. The Sexual Master is 5 modules, step-by-step program designed to provide you with all the tools that you need to become the best lover in bed. Unlimited access, and it's all backed up with exercise sheets to make sure that you're learning, and everything that you are learning in it will kick your bedroom game up a notch higher. Gents, if you've liked this video, like, share, comment and subscribe. I of course have been Annabella Rose, and I'll see you next time.